Hi guys! So we are in Hyderabad. So basically, I got in last night, and here's what happened. So I basically unpacked all my stuff really quickly, and then I ate a huge 7-course meal at the restaurant. I'm talking halim, biryani, the works, guys. And then, yeah, basically just vegged out in front of my laptop watching Godfather of Harlem. So, yeah, basically ate lots of biryani and passed out right there like a log. So, good morning. We are here for something very exciting and very important. We're here for the Union Lung Conference with two organizations, Stop TB and Find. And I'm here to talk about my TB story and spread awareness and hopefully discuss new developments with TV with these guys. And yeah, it's I'm glad that I can be of some service and I can actually help people with TB and raise awareness, because when I was diagnosed I just felt like there was not enough information around. And yeah, so that's what we're here for. So it's a 2-day conference. It's not going to be like one of our usual events, but yeah, I'll show you guys bits and pieces. Also going to go to IKEA, and we're also going to eat lots more biryani. So yeah, this is the view from my beautiful room. We're going to get some breakfast first and then get ready.
When I wake up in the morning, drinking coffee on my balcony, trees are dancing to the whistle of the wind. Lord, I'm thankful for everything.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I actually just overcame TB very recently. I've stopped my medication since July. I was diagnosed this January, and it's interesting. I was coughing my lungs out for a whole month before I was actually diagnosed. My physician couldn't catch it. Kept saying it's just a regular cough. It's the winter. Everybody's coughing. I was on antibiotics for about 2 weeks, and one of my friends who happens to be a doctor, you should get tested for TB. And I said, I asked my physician, but he laughed and said, why would you get TB? And he said, that's ridiculous, just do the test tomorrow. And I went, got tested, and it was positive. Diagnosing the disease is the biggest thing, and it's we don't realize it at that stage that it's so important, but it really helps with the recovery as well.
Hi everyone. My story is actually diametrically opposite to hers, where it took 7.5 years, and of that, it centers around diagnosis, whereas hers was correctly diagnosed in the first test, and immediately she could get a correct prescription and the treatment started. For me to get a correct diagnosis, it took 3 years. Those 3 years obviously cost me my lung and the autotoxicity of the injection. So I lost my hearing, and so diagnosis, which I believe it is where you all are pledging for universal access to everyone. On paper, it sounds amazing, but the ground reality where 60% of the Indian patients we are taking private sector treatment, okay?
Okay, so the first bit of my trip work-wise is done. I spent about 2.5 hours listening to people after me, and it just made me realize how fortunate I am to have gotten the care that I did and to recover as quickly as I did. And I'm going to talk more about this once I get to the hotel at night, maybe, because I want to sit down and talk more about the things I learned. But yeah, now we are heading to the IKEA store, and I've been wanting to go here since they opened in India, and I'm so glad that I have the time right now. So I'm quickly gonna dash to the store and take you with me. Okay, I've been here for a little over an hour and this is mind-boggling. Like, just look at how huge this place is. Okay, peeps, we are back and we have bought a whole bunch of things. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, how is she going to take this back? But I was prepared, which is why I bought 2 suitcases with me because I was going to IKEA. I have actually bought a lot of stuff. If you guys want me to do a IKEA haul, comment below. Maybe I'll do one for you. Let me know. And yeah, now it's 8. I'm knackered. I haven't actually shown you guys my room. Check it out. It's not as clean as when I got it, but this is it. And this is my IKEA loot. Bought a new rug. How beautiful is that? So yeah, we're staying at the Taj Krishna. I don't know why I keep saying where, because I feel like it's you and me. I am staying at the Taj Krishna. You are watching this. And yeah, I'm really hungry now. It's 8 o'clock. I really want to go out and explore and go to Charminar and like do stuff. Like, I actually have been to Hyderabad before. This is my 4th or 5th time here, so I've pretty much seen everything. It's not like I haven't, but I did feel like going out and getting some biryani. But I think I'm gonna order room service because we have an early morning tomorrow. I have to get to the conference much earlier than today. In the morning we have like a press thingamajig, and then in the evening I'm speaking. So yeah, thought that it's better to just like shower, chill, unwind, get some room service. So we have some Hyderabadi halim that looks good with the bread that you're supposed to have it with. And this is double ka meetha. So I had this last night, this double ka meetha. It's kind of like a bread pudding. It is yum, okay? And halim is one of my favorite things. I know like Hyderabad is known for biryani and halim, 2 things. Tonight we're having halim. Hopefully tomorrow we will have some biryani and we're gonna have some double ka meetha. So this is my situation. I am going to watch something and eat my khana. Dinner has been demolished. That was so good. I am so stuffed. Like, I feel like I can't move now. But yeah, I wanted to recap the day with you guys, as I said earlier. The reason why I have been talking so much about TB and trying to raise awareness is because I feel like there's just no information about the disease, and I had to inform myself with excessive reading, excessive questions, and it's hard. It's a disease it's kind of hard to get rid of, and I was really lucky. And today I realized that even more with looking at other TB champions who've lost their hearing or had like lungs affected. I luckily managed to get the disease in time and cure it because of my doctor, and everything just worked well in my case. And I know how lucky I am, and I just feel that I want to use that to share that with people so that other people don't suffer and they get diagnosed on time and they get the treatment that they need and they are TB free. And then hopefully India will be a TB free nation and the world will be TB free someday. Let's hope for that. But yeah, it's been a crazy day, a busy day. Now I'm just gonna veg out, watch a little more of my Hotstar, and then go off to bed because tomorrow morning we have an early start. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, peeps. We are off day 2 in Hyderabad. It has taken us a long time. I'm already late. Yesterday, the same route that took me 30 minutes today has already taken me over an hour. I do not know what is happening with this traffic.
Hi, good morning everyone. Thank you Stop TB Partnership for having me here. My work with TB involves raising awareness about TB and that anybody can get it, that it's curable, and that it's just like any other disease.
My name is Aditya and I'm a TB survivor. Every time I say this, it sounds like I'm in an Alcoholics Anonymous meeting. I haven't coughed in the last 6 months. I haven't lost weight in the last 20 years, but that seems to be a perennial problem. I'm not coughing, nobody. Just kidding, my fault. There look like a few panic faces up front here.
Okay, so this is the funny man you just heard, and he's incredible. He's a TV champion. He's also a doctor, also a comedian. Why are you not following him yet?
I know.
Where should they follow you?
Follow me at QuackDoc, QWAKDOC, on Twitter and Instagram and all those other funny things that you guys have to follow people on.
Follow him.
Follow. Yes, follow me.
After the press conference, I got Luchika with me from Stop TV, and she needs a sari for tonight. So we're going to dress her. Yes, in a sari.
As I like also green, so maybe
Like this kind of a green?
does he have a dark?
Not like a bright green?
No.
No.
I look like the Queen Mother when she was very sick and very old.
No.
So this is the blue.
Like this looks stunning.
Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, and it's very visible as well.
Yeah. This is what jugaad is called. We can't find a petticoat, so we've got some plazos.
Yes, to go with that. Yeah. Awesome.
Purple, we have, yeah, pink, orange. This is also nice. You could do either of these.
I'm already
So,
tired.
mission sari has been a success, has it, Luchika? Are you excited?
Yeah, we'll do one when I'm dressed.
Yeah, when you're
actually
you're ready. The queen of saris.
the Queen of Saris wearing pieces from all different shops.
Yeah. The queen of saris.
My name is Luchika. I am the Executive Director of the Stop TV Partnership, and I would like to welcome everyone celebrating the work that everyone is doing on TV.
So I made some friends who are going to teach me some Persian. How do you say hello in Persian? Salam.
Hello.
Salam.
Salam از تاجیکستان.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I think we should all give a round of applause to Luchika for handling the sari so well. So what do you want to know about the story?
I want to know first, how did your friends, receive the news and families and so on? She's from Mumbai, and
The TV capital.
the TV capital of the world.
I think the first reaction was definitely shock. Including myself, everybody, most of my followers, my family, myself, we all asked this question of how can I get TV? And when I went to see my pulmonologist and my husband asked him, how could she get this? And he said the question is not how could she get it, it's how you don't get it in Bombay because it's so rampant. And that was a real eye-opener for me. Also, when I shared my TV story, the amount of young people that wrote back, emailed me, commented on posts saying that they've had TV or that they have TV was so overwhelming that I realized that it's a much larger problem.
How do you think you can help us?
I think for me, the biggest thing is to raise awareness. I think in India, myself included, until you're infected or someone close to you is infected or affected by TB, you don't really realize what the disease is, and you don't really know a lot about the disease outside of this room. Like, I know everybody here has a lot of information about TB, but like my friends, my followers, most of them didn't really know how it spreads, how you can prevent it, things like that. I think that's what I would want to use my voice to share that with people, how we can prevent it, how we can stop it, how we can put an end to it.
Hello, people. So it is 12 o'clock. I'm really tired. I've had a long day. But I wanted to quickly talk to you guys before I change, take off my makeup, get into bed because I have an early morning flight. Tonight was incredible. Like this evening, I met so many people who are doing so much good work with TB and trying to stop TB. And thank you to Stop TB for getting me here to speak at the event. And if you're someone who's got TB or you're close to someone who's got TB, get them to speak freely about their condition. and that is something that I want more people to do. And I feel like we really need to change this in our country, and we really need to stop TV. Man, do I look sleepy. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon.